Okay, so I got two IMREs here. This is a Latvian one, and this is a Lithuanian one. So I'm going to start with the Latvian one, and we'll see how it is. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We have Apricot Jam. Okay. Have blackcurrant jam. Have this, which is meat with pasta. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. This is just nuts. Cool. We've got bread. We have spichkas. And we have, oh, this is the warming thing. That's cool. Coffee. I think there's some sugar there. Some tea. Very epic. And then we have got some. So we have porridge with paprika. Red crushed. That's what it says. And then here we have. Oh, this is the dessert. So we have Bon Bonita mint. Something caramel. And that's it. So, have no clue how do we use this. So, let's see here. First, straighten sides of the metal heating surface so that it is possible to place canned food. Place dry spirit tablet in the center and set fire. That's cool. Let's see how we do this. Oh wait, so you go like this, no. Yeah, and then you do, no, I've messed up. Okay, so what I think we have to do is we have to eat this and then we can put it there in warm water. I think that's how we can do it. I am not sure, but let's eat this because this isn't supposed to be warm. Let's go, we got it. Okay, I can now just do it. Oh yes, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just look at that, take it in, it's so beautiful. What is this? Oh, this is sugar. Sugar. Yes, please. Teikšu godīgi diezgan labs. I'll get back to you when it's warm and shit.